Hello, this is my Texas garden in September. I'm excited to say that I've been growing cucumbers for the first time, and it was getting so many long branches I decided, well, I better put it on a stand so the branches could grow. And there's lots of yellow flowers, and I have some cucumbers growing. So I was excited to see this cucumber. I planted another acorn yellow crookneck squash because it's Texas and it still has a chance to go ahead and get new fruit before the first frost. My purple heart plant with the vinca is loving the cooler temperatures. My Itchiban eggplant is still producing fruit. I think it's a beautiful purple color. Here's the jalapeno pepper bush. It keeps giving me jalapeno peppers. Here's a bush bean plant growing over here with basil, salvia, purple heart, and pink begonias. I decided to treat myself with a new rug because the other one was sort of getting holes in it at the half price sale summer clearance. Okay, here is another cucumber plant that's growing, and it has a giant cucumber. If I can show you the size, it's rather large. I don't know if there's a cucumber contest out there, but and lots of purple flowers and basil on top. I purchased some salvia because they're perennials and the bees love them, and it'll come up each year. I think it's nice to have gardens beautiful with pop miracles. Oh, and there's a butterfly. It's either a butterfly or it could be a moth. I'm not sure. Oh, look, it's having fun, sipping nectar. It says it feels like fall today. Here's some more. Itchiban eggplant. And I have an Itchiban eggplant in my oak barrel that just came up naturally. I still have poblano peppers growing over here. They make great chile rellenos. And my bush bean is intermingled with the peppers, and they are flowering, so they're starting to get beans. So I'm so excited about that. I think it took cooler temperatures for the beans to start growing. So it's kind of covered, intermingled with the peppers, but it's not stopping the peppers from growing. They're still, these are the mammoth macho jalapeno peppers. Something's been nibbling at the bush beans, but it didn't destroy it. It's still growing. And you can see new growth. Okay, I planted radishes from seeds, and they should produce radishes probably in about 20 days. And I planted some kale mixed in. Okay, I have another basil here, and I have some more bush beans They're a good succession bean plant, so that when the other one's ripe, a couple weeks later, I'll get more bush beans. Here's a tomato plant. It gives me little tomatoes. And there is another bell pepper growing there in the back. I don't know if you can see it. I love bell peppers. So this is a Texas garden in September. And it's the garden's a lot happier because it's cooler temperatures. I don't have to come out here and water so much. And I'm just grateful for this garden. And I've just learned a lot from how things grow and how insects help your garden, because they help pollinate the different vegetables that you are growing. So I hope you enjoyed my tour of the Texas garden in September. Bye, butterfly.